Thinking about starting your own auto repair shop in Malaysia? With millions of vehicles on the road, the demand for quality car maintenance is higher than ever. To start, you'll need to register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. You can set up as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company depending on your business goals. Having a proper company set up boosts your credibility and makes it easier to get insurance, supplier credit, and even financing. Next, find a strategic location with enough space for parking and vehicle movement. Invest in essential tools, lifts, and diagnostic systems to handle both conventional and modern vehicles. Don't forget to hire qualified mechanics and ensure safety and compliance with local council licensing requirements. Running an auto repair shop can be rewarding, especially if you combine excellent service with fair pricing and strong customer trust. Need professional help with your business registration, licensing, or accounting setup? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, your trusted partner in building successful automotive businesses in Malaysia.